Hi my viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to cook palm nut soup. This dish is from Africa, so nice and delicious. Palm nut soup. Palm nut is good for our body and it helps maintain your health. It's so delicious. Let's get started. 2 palm butter, tomatoes, garlic, onion, ginger, pepper, tomato paste, 4 Maggei, and salt. Put all your meat in the pot, cut onion in, and put it in. Any meat of your choice you can use it, and salt. Now you can add your salt to it. You can add Maggei, any season of your choice in it as well. Now I'm putting 2 Maggei inside. So I'm using cow skin, hard chicken, dry fish, yeah, all kind of meat inside. Another Maggei in again. Now you're gonna cover it for let it cook. Now cut all your ingredients and put it in a blender and blend it up. Now use 1 teaspoon tomato paste and put it in the palm butter. Make sure you put all your blending ingredient inside as well. Now you're gonna add your palm butter thick paste. You mix it with water a bit and then put it in. After using the paste, you need to wash the can with water and put it in the palm butter. Look at that. Look at that. Already start looking fresh. Cover it and let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Check and make sure the palm nut is mixed. There's no paste left in. Everything have to be smooth and watery. So I'm mixing it well. Keep checking and make sure there's not palm nuts left in. You need to make sure all mix well. Now I'm gonna put okra inside. It's choice, you don't have to, but for me I like okra in. So when I'm eating with fufu or anything, it goes smooth. So I'm cutting it small pieces, not too small, like medium. So you have to cut the end and the beginning off. Now I'm gonna put it in my soup. It's getting ready. Try this, guys, try this. Now after waiting for a long hours, look how it's looking. I'm gonna cover it and now I'm gonna let it down for 10 minutes. Now I'm checking to see, let's see. Ooh, wow, it's ready. The palm nut soup is ready. Yeah. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more video. Another video is coming. Share my page. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yep, this is it, guys. Palm nut soup from West Africa, Ghana. Anyone can eat. It depends how many chili you want. For me, there is a lot of chili. Now I'm gonna take all the red oil out. You need to take all the red because the palm nuts have a lot of red oil. So I'm gonna take it out. So I got 3 scoops from the palm butter, just the oil. You can see the color of the palm nut is different from the beginning when we were cooking. You can see the difference. That's where you notice that it's really cooked and it's ready to use in any of food that you want. Rice, sweet potato, anything. Look at that. It's done. I cover it again and that means finish. Now this is the fufu I'm gonna make. You need a bowl that can go in the microwave. Now open the fufu, cut it with scissors and tip how many amount you want. If it's by yourself, just 1 scoop. 1 cup. If with family, I prefer 4 cups. Mix it with water. You don't want it to be too thick. You want it to be a bit watery. Not too watery as well. Just there and there. Mix it well. You can see it's getting thicker. So when it's thicker like this, you need to add a little bit, maybe 2 or 1 cup of water. But because my fufu is a lot, I'm just using a bowl. So I'm putting 1 cup of water. And you can see the texture thing tend to watery a little bit. Still thick, so I'm gonna put more water. Still thick. That's how I want it. Yeah, that's how you want your fufu to be. Now you're gonna put it in the microwave and put 10 minutes. So every 4 minutes you need to come back, stir it, well stir it well. 4 minutes now. I take it out, I mix it so I don't get pulse inside. Look at that, it's getting ready. Back in the microwave again, guys, and put the rest of, don't put any time, just the rest of the time you left. Look at that, it's getting slow. You need to do this 3 times. So every 2 or 3 minutes you have to take it out and stir it again until it's done for 3 times. So now it's ready. I'm putting it in a bowl. You can use potato powder, or if you want to know where to get this, just put your comment down and I will tell you guys where I got this from. It's from an African shop. I know they have African shop around the world. You can get all these ingredients from there, or you can let somebody send it from you in any African country. So my fufu is done. Now let me show you guys how to do. So this is how it is finished. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. May God bless you all. Bye. See you next time on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.